This presentation is on the triple bottom line aspects of sustainability. We are Group 3. My name is Chris Rourke.
I'm Lena Clark.
I'm Matt Knight.
And I'm Tony Guthier.
So what is the triple bottom line? The triple bottom line consists of three aspects that when put together make a project sustainable. The first aspect of the triple bottom line is a project's impact on the economy. This takes into consideration the bottom line, cash flow, and overall cost of the project. The second aspect of the triple bottom line is the project's impact on society. This takes into consideration the community, education, family, social resources, health, well-being, and quality of life. The final aspect of the triple bottom line is the project's impact on the environment. This takes into consideration natural resources, water and air quality, energy, conservation, and land use. This presentation will go through 4 specific projects and how the triple bottom line has been implemented over time. The first project we're going to discuss is the Golden Gate Bridge. We're going to first go with an overview of the Golden Gate Bridge, and most of the information was found on history.com. The bridge was completed in 1937 and is located in San Francisco. The engineer chosen for the project was Joseph Strauss, who is based out of Chicago. It is the first bridge to have bridge supports that were built in the open ocean. And over the construction of the bridge, it faced several setbacks, but through hard work, they were able to complete the bridge on time. And today, it is one of the most photographed bridges in the world. So now we're going to get into the triple bottom line of the Golden Gate Bridge. With regards to the environmental aspect, all light fixtures on the bridge were replaced, which cut energy usage by up to 40%. HVAC units were also replaced with higher efficiency usage. Some alternate forms of transportation were also offered, which include a ferry system, bikes, and bus transit. This information was found on goldengatebridges.com or .org. For the economic aspect of the project, the bridge was built for $25 to $30 million. It was paid for mostly in bonds, and Strauss actually went to the president of Bank of America, who bought a $6 billion bond to help fund the bridge. And the bridge has more than paid for itself in tolls over time. Finally, for the social aspect of the bridge, Strauss met with the community prior to the construction and helped convince everyone there that the bridge would overall benefit San Francisco and the surrounding area. The bridge provided access to the national recreational area that is located to the north of the strait. And finally, it is an iconic world monument that put a positive impact or put a positive view on the community and San Francisco altogether.
The next project that we'll look into is the Chesapeake Bay Bridge Tunnel. Background information on the bridge can be found on Chesapeake Bay Bridge Foundation website. The Chesapeake Bay Bridge Tunnel connects parts of southeastern Virginia to the Delmarva Peninsula. It's located at the mouth of the Chesapeake Bay in the Atlantic Ocean. The total shore-to-shore length of the bridge is 17.6 miles, and construction was completed in 1964 with a cost of just about $200 million. And the bridge tunnel system includes 2 tunnels and 4 man-made islands, which for construction in that period of time, according to the Washington Post, it was considered one of the 7 engineering marvels of the world. The triple bottom line can be applied to Chesapeake Bay Bridge environmentally, mainly through the man-made islands, because they provided a new habitat for aquatic life. And the habitats have flourished so much that still today the islands are frequently used for recreational fishing. And also the bridge is almost completely made out of concrete, which can be crushed and considered recyclable material. Economically, the bridge was completely privately funded and not a single tax dollar was used. The ferry system that was the previous form of transportation across the mouth of the bay put together a board, and the board sold private bonds to completely fund the project. And this also prevented the high cost of ferry tickets to cross the bay. And socially, the Chesapeake Bay Bridge Tunnel greatly improved the community's mobility and access between the connecting areas. The providing this new form of transportation across the bridge reduced certain drive lengths from Virginia Beach, Virginia to parts of the eastern shore of Virginia by over 95 miles.
So the next project we're going to talk about is the Three Gorges Dam on the Yangtze River in China. This is the world's largest hydroelectric dam, and according to NationalGeographic.com, it cost around $22 billion to construct in around 15 years. After viewing the facts, it doesn't really seem like the builders of this dam considered the triple bottom line in mind when designing it. Under the economic aspects, it does provide clean energy and provides fresh water during the dry season to agriculture. After the reservoir filled up behind the dam, it did cause several landslides. On the economic side, according to Business Insider, the dam paid off for itself in 2012, and it provides around 2% of China's electricity. On the social aspect, it completely failed. The dam displaced around 1.2 million people and flooded around 13 cities.
The final project looked in our presentation will be the Tappan Zee Bridge. This is a bridge that crosses the New York Hudson River, and according to the New York Bridge article, the bridge will be about 3.1 miles and costs about $4 billion to construct. The bridge is set to open in the year 2018. When applying the triple bottom line to the Tappan Zee Bridge, the environmental aspects include they designed the bridge to enhance the view of the Hudson River. They also installed bike lanes and light rail systems for mass transportation to cross the bridge. In the economic aspect, the bridge will be completely paid for by toll systems, so people that are not using the bridge will not pay for the bridge. And according to Sustainable American Infrastructure, the bridge will use the American Recovery and Reinvestment Act to buy all steel, iron, and manufactured goods in the U.S. And when looking at the social aspect of the triple bottom line, the Tappan Zee Bridge will be a wider replacement bridge compared to the old one, which will allow for more traffic lanes to be there for better traffic flow. And finally, the bridge will use all local companies to partake in the construction of the Tappan Zee Bridge. So in conclusion, the triple bottom line is a very easy idea to implement in all engineering projects. It can be used to evaluate a project status as well as the benefits for the owner, the community, the economy, and the environment. With that being said, the triple bottom line should be taken into consideration for all large infrastructure projects.